prices on the London Metal Exchange have been quite mixed this morning, with half of the metals going up and the other half of the metals going down. Earlier this morning on the Shanghai Future Exchange, metal prices were stronger across the board, while they actually reached to Friday's LME performance. The market is of course focused on further potential fallout from troubled hedge funds after a mass liquidation we saw on Friday. Then of course the good news that the container vessel, the Ever Given, have been able to refloat on the Suez Canal is giving a positive impact to the market. And then also the fact that the US President Joe Biden is expecting to announce a $3 trillion Build Back Better plan, which is targeting an infrastructure and climate change plan. If we look at the current price level on the LME, we can see that copper has been regaining. It was already losing almost 0.8, 0.9%, and now it's only 0.2% minus. We are right now the 3-month price at $8,930 a ton. Aluminium is again regaining. We are at $2,291. That's a plus of almost 0.9%. Zinc is almost unchanged at $2,827, while nickel is losing about 0.7%, trading at $16,300 on 3 months. And another gainer is lead, which is plus 0.7, exactly the opposite than his sister metal. Lead is at 1,962. And the biggest gainer today is definitely tin again, trading at $25,640, still with a large backwardation of $2,300 between cash and 3 months. Precious metal prices are all down this morning. We have average losses of 0.4%. The spot gold price has been trading at $1,727 an ounce. If we have a small look at the currency market, yes, the US dollar index remains very bullish. We are quoting at 92.82 points. That is almost unchanged than what we saw on Friday. That means that the euro against the dollar is still poor, trading at 117.65 for the moment. That is also based on the fact that the yield on US 10-year treasuries is still very high with 1.64%. The economic calendar today is quite low. We had data of the UK money supply and mortgage approvals and lending to individuals. But later on this afternoon in the United States, we will have the Federal Open Market Committee member, Christopher Waller, who will be scheduled to speak. So on the base metal side, while aluminium continues to trend higher, the other metals are either looking weak or they do consolidate on their high levels where they have been trading. Last week we saw dip buying into this price weakness. Except for aluminium, there has been little follow-through buying. So definitely the sentiment for base metals remain pretty good. As soon as base metal prices are losing like 2 or 3%, we have immediate buying interest. So that definitely is a sign of a still remaining bullish market. Have a good week.